I welcome you all for this session that will be interactive. That is interactive webinar on dance and its health benefits. Do you feel stressed out nowadays? Then come, let's take a dance break. Why dance? Dance makes you aware about your mind and body. That is the coordination between your mind and body. All of us know that if mind is healthy, then automatically body also become healthy. Okay, both the mind and body should go along. What else it can do? It increases the emotional health. That will help to increase the creativity. In academics, what about academics? Because dancers always will be going to classes for extra training for any performances. But what about their academics? Many parents will have this question, isn't it? But dance will always help to manage the academics. So this is proven. Many artists who are dancers are also excel in their studies. It helps to increase the physical health. So that is physical exercise. Classical dance and health. How can we relate classical dance to the health? In classical dance, we have abhinaya, that is the expressions. So whatever the artist would like to convey to the audience through his or her expressions called as abhinaya. We have four types of abhinaya. First one is Angika Abhinaya. That is, Angika means your Anganga. In Kannada, we call Anganga, that is body parts. So you express to the audience through your body parts. That is Angika Abhinaya. Second one is Vachika Abhinaya. Vachika means through the speech. Some of the dance forms will include speech, and also you hear the music. So in music lyrics, you can understand what the artist is conveying to the audience. Third type is Aharya Abhinaya. What is meant by Aharya? That is the costume. The costume that the artist is wearing. Through the costume, the audience can be able to recognize. Okay, this is say for example a Joker. If you come with the Joker costume, that is like he's going to say some jokes or enact with some jokes, isn't it? By the aharya, that is by the costume only you understand. Okay, this is what is happening on the stage. Next, a Santa Claus or a king, right? So anything on the stage with the complete costume, the audience will be able to understand what is happening on the stage. Last one is Satvika Abhinaya. What is meant by Satvika? That is the expressions. So bhava or expressions, 100% if that particular artist is able to convey. Say suppose you are surprised. So how you are showing that on the stage, that should be reaching to the audience. Say you are crying, you are so sad. That sadness should reach to the audience by your expressions. That is the Satvika Abhinaya. Next, I am here concentrating more on Angika Abhinaya. I would like to discuss Griva Veda, Shiro Veda, Drishti Veda and Dhru Veda. First, along with me you can do Griva Veda. Griva means neck movements. So exercise for your neck. If you want to learn, you can learn now. Otherwise, you can just observe. Okay, first one is Sundari. This is, see, many of the dance forms, whenever you watch any concert, you'll be seeing dancers like this, right? So it has a name. Even with the shloka, it has a shloka also to understand. So first one is Sundari. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try to practice that. That is neck movement. First one, Sundari. Tiraschina. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called as Tiraschina. You do the Sundari and do this side and come back. Do this side, come back. That is Tiraschina. Next, Parivartita. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is Parivartita. Okay, those who are interested, please do with me. Okay, you can try, no problem. If you're feeling tough, then leave that. Okay, just observe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hope you are doing with me. Next, Prakampita. Prakampita, 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, back. Okay. Next, second type is Shirobeda. As I have shown in the slide, it is Shirobeda. Exercise for your head, actually. Shirobeda. First one is Sama. See straight. Udvahita. See up. Next, Adhomukha. Full down. Adhomukha. Then Alolita. Alolita means full. Take one full round. Alolita. Alolita. Next, Dhuta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhuta. Then Kampita. Kampita means shake. Kampita. This is Kampita. Do with me. Kampita. Next, Paravritta. Try to see the back. Paravritta. Paravritta. See your back. Okay. You can feel all your pains, I think. If you have any neck pain and all, now you can feel that, isn't it? Next. Ukshipta. One side up. Ukshipta. Next. Parivahita. Do this movement. That is Parivahita. Okay. So that is head exercise or Shirobedas. Next. Drishti Beda. Eye movement. Eye movement. Okay. First one is Sama. Just concentrate and see straight. Sama. I'm telling now the Drishti Bedas. Just see straight. Try without blinking your eyes. Sama. Second one, Alokita. Just go to your corners. Take one full round. Alokita. Second type. I do Alokita now. This is Alokita. Exercise to your eyeballs. Okay, right? Next. Sachi. See one side. Right side or left side. Sachi. Pralokita. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the corner. Okay. Right corner, left corner. Right corner, left corner. Next. Nimilita. Nimilita is half closed. Half close your eyes. Half closed eyes. Nimilita. Next is Ullokita. See up. Ullokita. Just see up. Next, Anuvritta. See down, up, down. Anuvritta. Try to do it fast. Okay, Anuvritta. Next, Avalokita. See down, Avalokita. Okay. So that is your exercise for your eyeballs. If you want, I can repeat. Sama, Alokita, Sachi, Pralokita, half close, Nimilita. Next, Ullokita, see up, Ullokita. Next, Anuvritta, up, down, Anuvritta. Next, Avalokita, down, Avalokita. See, this is exercise for your eyes. Last type is Bru Beda. What is meant by Bru? Eyebrows. Exercise to your eyebrows. Sahaja. Try to do. If you can't do, just observe. Okay, you can try whenever you are free. You can try this. That is Sahaja. Just normal eyebrows. Sahaja. Patita. Shrink your eyebrows. Shrink your eyebrows. Patita. Ukshipta. Ukshipta. This is Ukshipta. You are lifting both of your eyebrows. Ukshipta. Next is Rechita. Just try one eyebrow. This is Rechita. Do you see dancing eyebrows? The Kunchita, one down, one up. Kunchita. Next, Brukute. Brukute is slowly lift both of your eyebrows. Slowly lift both of your eyebrows. This is called as Brukute. Try to do that with me. Like this. This is Brukute. Next, last type of Bruveda, Chatura. Both the eyebrows should dance together. This is Chatura. Okay, I repeat. This is Bruveda, Sahaja, Patita, Shipta, Kunchita, Rechita, Brukute, Chatura. Okay.